All right, we're looking at the first one, number 1A. We're seeing the first question asks, is it a function? We can do the vertical line test. Touches once, touches once, touches once, touches, 0. Here, if it only touches once, it is a function. So we just circle yes. And also you can say yes for every x, there is only one y. Or for every input, there's only one output. For every something, there's only one something, right? That's the definition of function, and that applies in both cases. Next is our graph continuous. Yes, it's continuous because I can trace along the graph the entire time, like trace, 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 never lifting my pencil. It is connected. It is continuous. Next is the minimum value of the graph. Notice that this arrow goes to infinity. So my minimum is that there's no minimum. And some students like to write that that means that y goes to negative infinity. You can add that as well, but you do need to say no minimum. Maximum is the highest the graph goes, so that would be right here, through y equals 4. And then down here for the range, it goes from the min to the max. So since we just got those, we could say that the range goes from negative infinity up to 4. Negative infinity always gets an open bracket, and 4 is included, so we put a closed bracket. If 4 was an open dot up there, we'd put an open bracket, but it's not. Okay, next, domain is left to right. Domain goes from negative infinity all the way on the left up until 3, right there. But both are going to be open brackets because of the infinity and because of the open dot at the end there. So open, open, not included. Finally, the increasing intervals. This graph is increasing from negative infinity up until 4. Always use open brackets on our increasing and decreasing sections. So also increasing from negative 1 to 2. See if that makes sense. Okay, the decreasing intervals are the other two intervals in between. So it's going from negative 4 to negative 1. Oh, I forgot the negative up here. Good catch, good catch. Negative infinity to negative 4. Now it's negative 4 to negative 1. And this is a U for union, meaning and. It's also decreasing from 2 to 3. It also asked us for the slope or rate of change right here, the rates of change of these sections. So in the first increasing section, it's going 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So my slope right here would be 4. And the next section's up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. So my increasing sections have positive rates of change. Now let's go do the decreasing sections. It's decreasing down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. Decreasing negative 4/3. That's my slope, my rate of change. And the second section's down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10 over 1, negative 10. Dang, that's steep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. All right, that one's done. How'd you do?